Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Adobe Color to build on-brand palettes quickly, quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Adobe Color website. Once the page loads, locate the color wheel at the center of the screen. Click on the color wheel to select your base color. Adjust the color slider or enter a specific color value in the input boxes if you have a precise color in mind. To create a color palette, explore the 5 color harmony rules provided on the right. Experiment with these rules by selecting a different harmony that fits your brand's needs. Observe how the color palette updates as you switch between different harmonies. Once you find a palette you like, take note of the color codes displayed below each color. You can save your palette by clicking the Save button in the top right corner of the screen. If you're not signed in, you will be prompted to log into your Adobe account. After saving, you can access your palettes later from your Adobe Creative Cloud account. If you want to create another palette, simply repeat the process with a new base color. Explore the Explore tab to view trending color themes for additional inspiration. Use the search bar to find palettes based on specific keywords related to your brand. Once you've finalized your palette, consider downloading it to your device by clicking on the download icon. You can also copy the hex codes to use directly in your design software. Finally, return to your design project and apply your new on-brand color palette to enhance your visuals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.